Hey everyone, you're watching the Technicalities channel. Today, our topic is about one of the other main applications that Google provides for all of us students. That, my friends, is Google Classroom. We're going to go through the basics of Google Classroom and how to use it effectively. Google Classroom is an application that is provided by Google. It kind of represents the look of a virtual classroom, but at the same time, it doesn't really do that. It's definitely not the most confusing thing to use, but obviously a lot of people have troubles using it, especially when they're new users. And so today our focus is on how to use the app and how to be able to use it efficiently. So let's dive in. First of all, like always, you need to enter the app to be able to use it. On a mobile device, the app can actually be downloaded off of the App Store or the Google Play Store. On a browser, search for Google Classroom and enter the website. You need an account to actually use Google Classroom, by the way. Most teachers actually provide you with accounts so that they can put you inside of those classrooms. As you enter Google Classroom, you have a number of different classrooms depending on how many classes that you enrolled in or how many classes that you are learning. Each of these classes have their own teacher. In the 3-bar tab is a downsized set of all the different classes you are in. It also has the calendar, the to-do list for your unfinished work. It has the archived classes, the folders, and the settings for the app. When you enter a classroom, there is a stream tab. This pretty much shows all of the posts, homeworks, files, everything sent by the teacher or maybe the students. You can actually add comments to these posts /homework/ whatever it is. Meanwhile, the classwork tab only shows the different homeworks filtered by their topic. You can change the filter topic with the Wi-Fi looking symbol that's in the classwork tab. The people tab just shows the members inside the classroom, and this includes teachers and your own classmates. And finally, depending on whether teachers want to teach you through Google Meet, most likely they will if they use Google Classroom, there will be a Google Meet symbol which takes you directly to the Google Meet call for the classroom. Now for some frequently asked questions. 1. How does Google Classroom relate to Google Workspace for Education? Well, Classroom is actually its product, just like Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and a lot more. These products are used together for easy communication, distributing work, and for staying organized. 2. Does Classroom run ads? Does Classroom have any ads? Well, no. They don't use your data for advertising purposes, because they would be very cruel if they did, wouldn't they? Whoa. To recap, we learned about Google Classroom and its features, how to use it, and how to use it efficiently. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button down below and also share the video around. This video is going to be on the Facebook page so you can watch it there. And also, if you like our content, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see more of this content coming soon. For now though, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching the Technicalities channel.